right, good morning. That was a quick cold start of our 2014 BMW 650i. As you can see, all of the information being read out on the dash there. 54,645 miles and coming up to temperature. So a little bit inside this car, we have in-car navigation and then all the other infotainment menus, settings, all that stuff can be accessed through this little click wheel, joystick, and all the buttons that surround. Inside we have heated seats, ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, and individual climate settings for each. So for the most part, everything else that you need to see and read about for this BMW 650i will be available in the photo galleries and the auction description. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop a comment and we'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.